Imagine starting your adult life. Not with savings, not with opportunities, but with $30,000, $50,000, even $100,000 in debt. That's the reality for millions of Americans who took out student loans. In fact, Americans now owe more than $1.7 trillion in student loan debt. And the shocking part, most people don't understand how this system actually works. Today we're exposing the truth about student loans in the United States. For decades, students have been told one thing: go to college and you'll be successful. But college tuition in America has exploded. In the 1980s, the average yearly tuition was only a few $1,000s. Today, many universities charge $20,000 to $70,000 per year. Because of this, millions of students rely on loans from the U.S. government. These loans are managed through programs run by the U.S. Department of Education. The promise was simple: borrow now, get a good job later, pay it back easily. But for many Americans, that promise didn't work out. Today, more than 43 million Americans have student loan debt. Total debt has passed $1.7 trillion. To put that into perspective, student debt in the U.S. is bigger than credit card debt, and second only to mortgages. Many of these loans are issued or guaranteed by the federal government through programs connected to the federal student aid. But the real problem is interest. Even if you borrow $30,000, interest can push the total repayment far higher. Some borrowers end up paying double the original amount. And unlike most debt, student loans are extremely difficult to escape. Most types of debt can be removed through bankruptcy: credit cards, medical bills, business loans. But student loans are different. In most cases, they cannot be discharged in bankruptcy. This means even if someone loses their job or struggles financially, the debt remains. Some Americans are still paying student loans 20 or 30 years later. Here's where things get controversial. Some experts argue that student loans themselves help drive tuition prices higher. When the government guaranteed loans, universities realized something: students could borrow almost unlimited amounts. So tuition kept increasing, year after year. Meanwhile, students kept borrowing more to afford college, and the cycle continued. In recent years, politicians have debated ways to fix the crisis. Some proposals include student loan forgiveness, lower interest rates, income-driven repayment plans.